In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly close your Stripe account. By the time we reach the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to ensure everything is in order before you proceed with account closure and exactly what steps you need to take to see it through. Before we dive into closing your account, there are a few essential things you should check first. This prep work is crucial to avoid any issues down the line. Let's start with your account balance. It's vital to ensure that your balance is settled to zero. If you have a negative balance, you'll need to clear that first. On the other side of the spectrum, if you have a positive balance, make sure that it's fully paid out to your linked bank account. Remember, even if you schedule payouts, they may still process. Next, you'll want to export your data. This is an important step because once your account is closed, all your data becomes inaccessible. Take the time to download your transaction history, customer details, and any other financial records you might need in the future. Think of it as safeguarding your business documentation. A key point to bear in mind is that closing your Stripe account is irreversible. Once you close your account, it and all associated data cannot be reinstated. Hence, it is crucial to be certain about your decision and have a clear backup of everything you might need moving forward. Now, let's walk through the steps to actually close your Stripe account. Start by logging into the correct Stripe account via the dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the right account, as this process is final. Once inside, navigate to the Settings section. You may find Account Details under Business Settings. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page, where you'll notice the option to Close Account. Don't worry if this seems a bit tucked away. Stripe wants to make sure you're sure about your decision. Clicking on this button will not immediately close your account. You'll have to follow a series of confirmation prompts. These might include identity verification steps, like entering your password or using a security code sent to your registered device. Some resources even mention phone confirmation via code, so having your phone handy is a good idea. After you complete these steps, your account will be closed. You might receive a confirmation email from Stripe, or your access could be instantly deactivated. This can vary. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your Stripe account, having ensured that everything was properly managed before taking such a decisive step. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process straightforward and stress-free.